Hi, welcome again. What if the Wim Hof breathing method doesn't do anything to you? You know, like you don't feel anything, or maybe even it gives you like a panicky feeling. It's probably because of the following. Um, Probably if you don't feel anything, you're breathing high in the chest and using only a bit of air. Yeah, and within the Wim Hof method, we talk about breathing deep. Now, if you're breathing high, I'm breathing through the mouth just so you can hear me. You use maybe 20 or 30% of your lung capacity. I tried it out yesterday. What happens if you breathe like that? And I actually got like a really panicky and uneasy feeling. So the first thing you want to start with is breathing through the belly. Like, I don't know if you can see me right, but... So what Wim is saying these days, you know, it used to be just get the air in and as much air in. And these days he says belly, chest, head, referring to the full yogi breath. So belly, chest, and then the head is more like keep it like for a split second and concentrate on the middle of your head. Now you can do that, but also just breathing to the belly is already a good start. Yeah, so if you're not feeling anything, lie on your back on a bed and breathe to the belly as much as you can. You want to blow up your belly when you breathe in, and it should fall when you breathe out. If you need help with breathing better to the belly, you can go to one of my films. It's called the FS breath, and I will post a link in the description below. Yeah, so if you're not breathing anything and you get a panicky feeling, it is probably because you breathe too high and use too little of your lungs. If you breathe to the belly more, you use a bigger, like inner space of your lungs, and you will feel more. Now, to the other extreme, I've been teaching a few people this technique, and what I see sometimes is the other way around, that people are really like, like breathing in like, oh, all the way, all the time. Now you want to breathe in as deep as possible, but like 80%, you know, maybe you've heard of the 80-20 rule, 80% is the least effort and is more than good enough. Yeah, so let me show you. A good sign, by the way, if you are moving while breathing, so other than your belly and maybe your chest, then you probably try a little bit too hard and you're like, you know, you're doing that. No need for that, because what will probably happen is that after a while you've had it because it's just too much work, you know, and you want it to be effortlessly. Now, effortless breathing is more like 80%. So let me show you. If I take a full breath, 100% breath is... Yeah, well, if I do 80%, it just... It becomes much more friendly and much more effortlessly. So, yeah, try it out. I hope this helped, and let me know in the comments if you know, like if you feel you're doing something wrong. I really hope this shed a bit of light on the whole matter, and I see you in the next video.